Viva. Let's take a look quick to fear greed index. Let's find out what's going on. Last month we were greed 64. This month we are at 53. Now, right now we need to find out why we were so close to going to extreme fear last month, and now we're close to going to a bearish territory. So good. Let's go deeper. Now let's do some fundamental analysis and find out why the price is going in a different direction. Okay, so we're gonna go to Google right now. We're gonna find out U.S. debt payment default fears. As you can see, most all the websites, they promoting this. See, you got Washington Post, you got the New York Times, you got Market Watch, you got Yahoo Finance. As you can see, there's so many the big name media that are promoting this whole negativity that's going on in U.S. market. All right, let's switch to a different article now. The U.S. debt ceiling debate. Expecting resolution, appreciating the stakes. Okay, so in 2023, the next 2011. Well, I'm gonna post the article below the video so you can kind of find out what really happened in 2011 if you forgot. So article will be below the video. Okay, so let's check it out. Another article. Let's give it a minute here. So we're gonna take a look at a debt ceiling right now. What is the U.S. debt ceiling, and what happens if it isn't raised? So we're gonna kind of read a quote from Yellen, the secretary. I think she's the secretary of finance or something. Not too sure, guys. Not sure. Don't quote me on that. Okay, so in simple words, what is the U.S. debt ceiling? What happens if it isn't raised? When you don't pay your bills, they're gonna come and knock your door. That's pretty much it. So let's find out what is a debt ceiling for those that don't know what a debt ceiling is. So the Congress has the ability to set a limit on how much the U.S. government can afford to pay for its expenses. In simple words, for its bills. Okay, so let's find out what happens if the debt ceiling isn't raised. The failure to meet the government's obligation would cause irreparable harm to U.S. economy. The likelihood of all Americans. Okay, good. Let's take a look at a different article right now that says Federal Reserve sees mild recession later this year. I don't think it's going to be mild recession, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's scroll down and look at the J.P. Morgan Chase CEO. What he says the banking crisis is not yet over. Silicon Bank leaders fell badly, says Jerome Powell, which is the Federal Reserve chairman. Let's take a look at let's search about why the Federal Reserves are saying that we might get a mild recession this year, because we've been predicting this for as long as we've been trading crypto. All right, let's find out the U.S. dollar. Let's just look at what the U.S. dollar is doing in terms of global. Compared to other currencies, as you can see, look, India ruble is strengthening against the U.S. dollar. U.S. dollar price is stabilizing in Egypt. Investor bet U.S. dollar has further to fall. U.S. dollar stays resilient. BRICS currency versus U.S. dollar is at the end of dollar dominance near your U.S. dollar rate. As you can see, they just pumping negativity for the U.S. dollar. Okay, so let's take another. This is something that might give us a pump or a dump. Is the potential of the invasion in Taiwan. China is planning an invasion to Taiwan. This is a catalyst that might give us a good opportunity to, for those who haven't accumulated any crypto or whatever investment you want, this might be another good chance besides the recession. So prices could get really, really low. As you can see, most of the major media, they publican the same thing, the likelihood of China invading the Taiwan. All right, let's take another look. Now let's take a consumer right now. Consumer debt. Consumer debt. More U.S. consumers are falling behind on payments. More U.S. consumers are falling behind on credit cards and loan. As you can see, the U.S. News has reported this. The Epoch Times reported this. Really has reported this. There's so many media outlets that actually reported the same thing. As you can see, the number of people that are not able to pay their bills is increasing. It's just another indicator that things are not doing pretty good for the economy, the U.S. economy, which reflects the global economy. So the U.S. debt limit is a global outliner, guys. So this debt thing, if the debt ceiling isn't raised, the thing debt ceiling, they're just asking for more money. That's it. They want to print more trillions so they can dump in the market. All right, let's take a look at BTC chart, and as you can see, we kind of took a little dip on the fundamental analysis, just kind of see what's going on in the market, what people are saying, where the media is pumping, what propaganda is being put out, so we know what direction. They always tell us what direction the things are going to go, because media, they have a plan. The people that own the media, they have a plan, and they kind of give us a hint of what's coming. So you really just need to know where to get your info, how to do your fundamental analysis. You'll be good. At least you know why is the market pumping, why is the market dumping, so you'll know this. Okay, let's now focus here on the chart. We're taking a look at the weekly time frame. As you can see, I have 2 red lines and 2 blue lines, and now honestly, I was worried if Bitcoin would have closed below my red line, we would have coming down to 25,000. So he closed below my red line. I'm telling you guys, BTC is coming to 25,000. If 25,000 doesn't hold, we're going to 21,000. Yep. If 21,000 doesn't hold, we coming back to 17,000. 17,000, we have a pretty good support. But if we have a recession, we have an invasion, which is war. War is a big catalyst for the market. Markets don't like wars. So we're switching to daily time frame right now. So just to continue what I was saying, markets don't like war. War is a great opportunity for traders, not for investors. It's a great opportunity because, there's one side that loses, the other side that wins. So it's the same thing in the market, guys. You find great opportunities when there's a war, especially big countries like China and Taiwan. When I'm saying Taiwan, pretty much I'm saying the U.S. It's the same thing was happening with Russia and Ukraine. So when you're talking about Russia and Ukraine, you're actually talking about Russia and the U.S. So pay attention to that. So the one thing I keep telling my students is that keep doing your fundamental analysis, because right now the market is not the type of market that you just want to do your technical analysis and rely to it. As you can see, the past 3 months I have, if you go back to my videos, I have set a new target was 31.32, and I said that target is very, very likely BTC will break that. We don't have the liquidity in a daily time frame. You can see right now there's not liquidity to pump that. And right now on March, we have that beautiful pump from 21 to 29. We had what everybody calls the pumping dump. We saw the pumping dump. We were on a daily, the volume, it was 31 billion, and all of a sudden the next day was 200 billion. It doesn't make any sense, guys. So for me at least, so that's my predictions that I'm seeing BTC going either 25 or 25K. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.